Welcome back. Today I will start some formula for continuity, differentiability. Let a function f be a real function. Let f be a real function and c is a point in its domain. The derivative of fx at c, fc is equal to limit s tend to 0 fch minus fc upon h. So derivative f dash c is equal to d upon dx fx. f dash derivative of function x is equal to limit s tend to 0 f x plus h minus fx upon h. So every differentiable is a continuous. First, product rule. If two function u and v of x, then derivative of both function u v is equal to uv is equal to first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. Quotient rule. If u v are function of x, then derivative of v upon u is equal to denominator square of denominator derivative v derivative of denominator minus derivative of u derivative of numerator. So d upon dx numerator upon denominator. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator upon denominator का square. And also third rule, chain rule. So chain rule applied when the given function is the function of the function. If y is a function of x, then dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. This is chain rule. Or dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dw into dw upon du. So du upon dx. This is process of chain rule. Some formula for differentiability. So a d upon dx x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1, and d upon ds ax plus b power n. So n into ax plus b n power n minus 1 into coefficient of x. So e की power x d by dx e की power x e की power x, and also e की power ax, derivative of e की power ax is equal to coefficient of x into e की power ax, and derivative of a की power x is equal to a की power x into log a and base e, and also derivative of a b की power x is equal to a की power bx into coefficient of x b and also log a base e, and d derivative of log x base e 1 by x, and also derivative of derivative of log ax base e, so 1 by x, and also derivative of log x base a, so 1 upon x log a base e, and derivative of log bx base a, so 1 upon x log a base e. And in trigonometry function, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and derivative of sin ax is equal to derivative of sin cos x into coefficient of x, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and derivative of cos ax is equal to minus sin ax into coefficient of a. Derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, and derivative of tan ax is equal to sec square ax into coefficient of x a. Now fourth, cot x is equal to derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, and also derivative of cot ax is equal to minus cosec square ax into coefficient of x a, and derivative of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x, and derivative of sec ax is equal to sec ax into tan ax into coefficient of a, and also derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x, and also derivative of cosec ax is equal to minus cosec ax into cot ax and coefficient of x a. So inverse trigonometry function, sin derivative of sin inverse is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and derivative of sin inverse ax is equal to a upon 1 minus square root 1 square minus a square x square, and cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos इनवर्स ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए अपान स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस ए स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर. So derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse ax is equal to a upon 1 plus a square x square. Derivative of cos inverse is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. And derivative of cot inverse ax is equal to minus a upon 1 plus a square x square. And derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon x square root x square minus 1. And also derivative of cosec sec inverse ax is equal to 1 upon x square root x square minus 1. Cosec inverse x of derivative minus 1 upon x in bracket square root x square minus 1. And also derivative of cosec inverse ax is equal to minus 1 upon a square x square minus 1. So this formula learn by heart. So next solve exercise in use formula that. Thank you.